Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a milkshake easily. First, let's talk about the simple ingredients you'll need. You'll want a good quality ice cream, about 2 cups, to ensure that creamy, delicious base. Next, grab some milk. Whole milk works wonderfully for richness, but any type will do. Finally, think about your favorite flavorings, like chocolate syrup or fresh fruit, to make it uniquely yours. This simple combination is the key to a fantastic, quick treat. Now, let's get to blending. Start by adding about 2 cups of your chosen ice cream into your blender. This order helps prevent the blades from getting stuck. Then, pour in approximately 1/2 cup of milk. You can always add a little more if you prefer a thinner shake, or less for a super thick one. Begin blending on a low speed, gradually increasing it until your milkshake is perfectly smooth and creamy, usually taking about 30 to 60 seconds. The fun part is customizing your milkshake with delicious flavors. For a fruity twist, try adding about 1/4 cup of fresh or frozen berries or a ripe banana. If you're craving something more indulgent, 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup or a spoonful of peanut butter can transform your shake. Don't forget extracts like vanilla or mint for an extra layer of taste. Feel free to experiment and find your perfect flavor combination. The possibilities are endless. Once your milkshake is perfectly blended, it's time to serve and enjoy. Pour it immediately into a tall, chilled glass. For an extra special touch, you can add a dollop of whipped cream, a sprinkle of your favorite toppings, or even a bright red cherry. This quick and easy method ensures you have a delicious, creamy treat ready in just a few minutes. So go ahead, take a sip and savor your perfectly homemade milkshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.